Circle to search comes to iPhone but with restrictions. Google has officially announced that this Circle to search feature, very popular on Android, will now be available on iPhones but with some limitations. This tool allows you to search for information directly from images or videos on your screen. And on iOS, it is integrated through Google and Chrome apps. To activate it on the iPhone, if you use the Google app, you open a web page and then tap the three dots in the top right corner and then simply select search in this screen. If you are in Chrome, you open a web page and then you also go to the three dots for the context menu, and at the bottom right choose search on screen with Google Lens. Once activated, you will see a layer on the screen in which you can draw a circle with your finger on what interests you and then touch or highlight it, and Google Lens gives you results instantly. For example, imagine you're looking at some review of a cell phone or whatever inside the Google app. So you just circle that image of the phone and it's going to show you prices on Amazon or some other store so you can look it up, or technical specs and other things. Or if you are in Google Chrome reading about a restaurant or something like that, you can just underline the name or highlight a picture to look for more information, like the menu, reviews on Google Maps or similar things. On Android, this works in any app, even if you're on social networks like Instagram or TikTok or wherever you want, just by holding down the home button. But on the iPhone, it's limited to just these two Google apps. Evidently, because iOS doesn't allow Google to access a deeper level of the system, Google notes that it will soon be adding a direct Google Lens icon for Google Chrome for easy access. If you currently use iPhones, let me know if you find Circle to search an attractive Android feature or not.